Hello, friends. Imagine this. You are in a new city. You are lost. Your phone has no battery. You need to find the bus stop or the train station, or maybe just a nice cafe. What do? You feel a little nervous, right? But today, we will make it easy. Very easy. No stress at all.
Yes, no stress. Just calm words, slow words, polite words. That's all you need.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Enjoy Learning English. My name is Emily.
And my name is Paul.
We are so happy you are here with us today. This is your calm place, a nice place to learn English, slowly, gently, with no pressure.
Exactly. Just sit back, breathe, listen, and maybe repeat after us when you feel ready.
Today, our topic is very useful. How to ask for directions without stress.
Asking for directions. Many people feel shy. Many people feel worried. But today, we change that. We make it simple. Very simple.
Yes, let's start like always, with small talk. Paul, how are you today?
I'm good, Emily. A little sleepy, but happy. This morning, I walked to the park. Nice fresh air. And you?
I'm good too. I drank green tea, and I feel calm now. I like mornings when everything is quiet.
Quiet mornings are the best. No hurry, no noise.
True. Okay, now let's talk about directions. Paul, do you like asking for directions?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. If I know the way, I feel good. But if I'm lost, I feel a little shy. I think, will they understand me?
I understand. I was the same. One time in London, I was lost near Big Ben. I asked someone very slowly, and they smiled. They helped me. It felt nice.
See? Most people want to help. They are happy when you speak politely.
Yes. So today, we learn polite and easy ways. Step by step. Slow, slow, slow.
Slow is perfect for beginners. Very good.
First step. You need help. What is the first word you say?
Excuse me?
Yes, excuse me. Very polite, very important.
You can also say, sorry, or hello, excuse me.
Good. Now, after excuse me, what do you say?
Where is the...
Exactly. Where is the bus stop? Where is the train station? Where is the bank?
Or where is the supermarket? Where is the hospital?
Very useful. Now, listen and repeat with me. Ready, friends? Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Good. Now, you at home, say it slowly. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Say it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It helps.
Yes. Okay, now the person answers. What do they say?
They can say, it's straight ahead.
Or it's on the left.
Or it's on the right.
Or it's next to the big red building.
Or turn left at the corner.
Good. Sometimes go straight, then turn right.
Yes, very common.
Now, let's practice a little dialogue. I am lost. You help me.
Okay.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
It's straight ahead, about 5 minutes.
Straight ahead, 5 minutes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Very nice. Now switch. I help you.
Excuse me, where is the post office?
It's on the right, next to the cafe.
On the right, next to the cafe. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
See, friends? Short, polite, easy.
Yes. Now, more ways to ask. You can say, can you help me?
Good sentence. Can you help me, please?
Or, I'm looking for the museum.
Yes. I'm looking for the museum. I'm looking for the park.
Very natural.
Another good one. Is this the way to the city center?
Nice. Is this the way to?
You can point too. Point and say, is this the way?
Body language helps a lot. Smile, point, speak slowly.
Yes. Smile is magic.
Now, what if they speak fast?
You can say, sorry, slowly please.
Or, one more time please.
Very polite. People understand.
Good. Let's do a longer role play. We are on a street. You are a lost tourist.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
I'm looking for the central library.
The central library? Okay. Go straight, past the bank, then turn left.
Straight, past the bank, turn left.
Yes, it's about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Friends, you heard it. Very normal conversation. No problem.
Now, more places people ask about.
Hospital.
Where is the hospital?
Hotel.
Where is my hotel?
Toilet. Very important sometimes.
Yes. Where is the toilet, please?
Always say please.
Yes. Polite words open doors.
Okay, let's practice more. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, where is the hospital?
Excuse me, where is the hospital?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I'm looking for the hotel.
I'm looking for the hotel.
Good job. Now, what if you don't understand? Say, sorry, I don't understand.
Or, can you repeat, please?
Or, speak slowly, please.
All good sentences.
Let's do one more role play. This time, a little harder. Okay, I am local person. Excuse me, is this the way to the old town? The old town?
No, you are going the wrong way.
Oh, wrong way.
Yes, go back, turn right at the traffic lights, then straight.
Back, right at traffic lights, straight.
Yes, about 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the old town.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
See? Even if wrong way, still polite, still easy.
Now, let's talk about habits. How to practice this at home.
Good idea. First habit, very simple. When you walk in your city, think in English.
Yes, you see a sign, think, where is the park?
Even if you know the way, just think the sentence.
Second habit, watch videos. Watch people asking directions in English. Listen only. No need to understand every word.
Just listen to the sound, the rhythm, the polite tone.
Third habit, practice alone. Stand in front of mirror. Say, excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Say it 5 times, then change place. Where is the train station?
5 times. Small practice, every day, 5 minutes.
That's enough.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes, even us.
True. I still say wrong words sometimes.
Me too, and it's fine. People smile, they help.
Okay, now review time. Slow review.
First, start with excuse me.
Or, sorry, excuse me.
Then, where is the?
Can you help me, please?
I'm looking for.
Answers, straight ahead.
On the left.
On the right.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Go back.
It's next to.
It's about 5 minutes.
And always, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And smile.
Smile is number 1.
Yes.
Now, repeat with us. Ready?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Good. You are doing great.
Really great.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, in the comments, write something easy.
For example, write your country.
We love to know where you are from.
Or write, I like asking directions. Or I don't like asking directions.
Or write one sentence you learned today. For example, where is the train station?
Yes, we read every comment. We really do.
Okay, time to finish.
Already? Time goes fast when we are happy.
True, but we will meet again soon.
Next time, another easy topic. Until then, keep practicing. Small steps, every day.
Speak a little English every day. Even one sentence. It helps.
And remember, you are doing very well.
We are proud of you.
Yes, very proud.
So, thank you for listening today.
Thank you so much.
Please like this video. It helps us a lot.
And subscribe. Press the bell so you don't miss new lessons.
And comment your country.
We want to say hello to you.
Okay, breathe in, breathe out.
Relax.
You did great today.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.
Have a beautiful day.
Yes, a beautiful day.
Bye.
Bye.